Hi, I'm Rebecca.
And hi, I'm Melissa.
And we're going to show you all of Daisy's puppies.
What are you doing there, Dottie? This is Honey.
Hi, this one's Maddie. And these two, this one's Face, and I think this one's Dottie. And usually you can get off my laces. Oi! Stop it! They're really cute. No Face. I'll just show you all of them. This one is Dottie. And she's got blue eyes. And she's just lovely. And she seems to have a fascination with my laces because she's always at them. She's not very heavy. She's only a little small puppy. Put you down
Softy,
here.
and he's one of the boys. There's only 3 boys. And here's Maddie. And the final one is Honey. And Honey's leaving with Stuart soon.
I'm Vicky.
And Vicky, of course, Melissa. This one here is Dottie. That one is Betty. This is Deacon Boy. There's Face. There's Sugar. Sugar's leaving tomorrow, which is really sad. So we're going to say bye, Sugar. Bye.
Otherwise, she's just like Daisy.